How to fix Windows was unable to complete format. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. It's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to go ahead and do is firstly press Windows key and X together. And then what we want to do is type in terminal. So we can just go ahead and type in terminal right here. And then what we just want to do is open it up. Once you do, go ahead and type in disk part like so. Then press enter. You might get a little option that comes up, and then it's going to open up this little thing right here. Now what we're going to do is type in list disk, press enter, and it's going to show all your connected drives. Note down your target drive number, then type select, so I'm just going to type it properly, select disk, and then instead of X, replace it with your actual drive number, then hit enter. Then what you want to do after you do that is type in clean, then type in, then press enter again, then type create partition primary, and then press enter, and then type in the following. So format fs equals ntfs quick, and press enter, and then that's it. You'll be good to go.